I'm very excited for this signing, man. If anything, I cannot wait for next season to start, right? I mean, in as much as we loved Casemiro, there are certain things that he couldn't do. Age was beginning to catch up with him, right? And now you're bringing a young, rejuvenated version of Casemiro. This boy is incredible. If you're wondering why Atalanta has been so successful in recent history in Italy, it's mainly because of this guy. Midfield is probably the most important position in football, and you cannot compromise when it comes to quality. And I think Manchester have struck the jackpot. 45 million is such a good bargain. He could give us a good 4 or 5 years clean, right? Hopefully, he adjusts very quickly in England. The only reason he couldn't come last season was because he wanted to play Champions League football. Man United have qualified for the Champions League now. There's still a couple of more reinforcements to be made. I think we need at least one winger. We definitely need a right back. And we need a backup for Luke Shaw because Udogu is now playing as a winger. Or maybe it's because we're lacking wingers. That's why he was pushed up and he's going to go back to his original position next season. But whatever the case may be, I'm very excited and optimistic about next season. United! United!